Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to swap using a Phantom wallet. A Phantom wallet is a digital wallet used to store and manage cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. Swapping is a process that allows users to exchange one cryptocurrency for another. To begin the swapping process, first, you need to have a Phantom wallet set up and funded with the cryptocurrency you want to swap. If you don't have a Phantom wallet, you can download and install it from the official website. Once you have your Phantom wallet set up, navigate to the Swap tab. Here, you can select the cryptocurrency you want to swap and the one you want to receive. For example, if you want to swap Solana for USDC, select Solana as the from asset and USDC as the to asset. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to swap. You can choose to enter a specific amount or use the max button to swap your entire balance. After entering the amount, review the swap details, including the exchange rate and the estimated amount you will receive. Make sure to check the fees associated with the swap, as they may vary depending on the blockchain and the wallet. If everything looks good, confirm the swap. The transaction will be processed on the Solana blockchain, and the swapped cryptocurrency will be added to your Phantom wallet. It is essential to note that swapping cryptocurrencies can be subject to market fluctuations, and the exchange rate may change rapidly. Therefore, it is crucial to stay up to date with market trends and make informed decisions when swapping. Additionally, always make sure to use a reputable and secure wallet like Phantom to protect your assets. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently swap cryptocurrencies using your Phantom wallet.